Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something fun, loud, emotional, and sometimes a little stressful.
Family gatherings.
Oh wow, that feels very real already.
Very real, because family gatherings can be fun, but also a little chaotic.
A little? Emma, some family gatherings feel like survival.
Oh no, that sounds personal.
Maybe a little.
Today we're talking about family gatherings in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want to survive a family event.
Very true. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. It is family gathering day.
Big day.
Maybe a birthday.
Maybe a holiday.
Maybe a family dinner.
Or maybe somebody says everyone is coming.
Oh no, that sentence feels stressful already.
Why?
Because everyone means loud house, too much food, too many questions.
Especially family questions.
Exactly. Questions nobody asked for.
Like what?
How is work? Why are you still single? When are you getting married?
Oh, wow. Family questions can feel very serious.
Very serious. But somehow, people ask while smiling.
That feels too real.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
What is the first feeling before a family gathering?
Excitement.
Really?
Yes, seeing people again feels nice.
Fair answer.
But also, maybe nervous.
Ah, the honest answer.
Because family gatherings can feel very busy.
Very busy.
Maybe you arrive, open the door,
Suddenly, 10 people talking at the same time.
someone cooking,
Kids running everywhere.
someone laughing loudly.
Somebody already eating snacks.
That feels very real.
Then maybe someone says, "You're finally here."
Useful sentence, everyone. It's so nice to see you.
Nice family English. Repeat after us. It's so nice to see you.
Or maybe, how have you been? Very natural English.
Emma, be honest. Do you ever hide for a few minutes at family gatherings?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets?
So that means yes.
Maybe near the food table.
Ah, yes, the safe place.
Snacks help stress.
Very true. Especially family gathering snacks.
Emma question.
Okay,
Best part of family gatherings?
easy. Food.
Wow, that answer came very fast.
Very fast. Family food feels special.
Very true. Useful sentence, everyone. This food is delicious.
Repeat after us. This food is delicious.
Or maybe, can I have more?
Dangerous sentence.
Why?
Because families love feeding people.
Oh, yes, very true.
You say you're full, but somehow more food still arrives.
That feels very real.
Especially grandparents.
Very true. Then maybe family stories start.
Oh no. Childhood stories.
Sometimes embarrassing stories.
Very embarrassing stories.
Someone says, remember when you...
Oh no. That sentence feels dangerous already.
Especially if everybody laughs.
Emma, what if someone feels shy at family events?
That happens too. Maybe not everyone likes big groups.
Very true.
Then simple conversations help. Like, how have you been?
Or, what have you been doing lately?
Nice, easy English.
Then maybe someone says, "How is work?"
Or, how is school?
Or maybe, "What's new?"
Very common family English.
Emma, one scary family moment?
Group photos.
Oh no, nobody knows where to stand.
Somebody always blinks.
Somebody looks confused,
Somebody not ready.
and somehow the photo takes 20 minutes.
That feels too real.
Very too real.
Then maybe everyone sits together.
Talking, laughing, sharing stories.
And maybe, even if family feels loud sometimes, it still feels nice.
That feels emotional.
Because family gatherings create memories.
Funny memories, too.
Very funny memories.
But wait, what if somebody asks a very awkward question?
That happens too.
So what should people do?
Maybe smile and change the topic a little.
Smart answer.
Thank you. Smart already today.
Already? Maybe.
But honestly, family gatherings are never boring.
Never boring.
Maybe loud,
Maybe stressful,
maybe emotional,
but usually memorable.
very memorable.
Then maybe, later in the evening, everybody starts feeling more relaxed.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Somehow, after food, people feel more relaxed.
Very true. Maybe everyone sits in the living room.
Somebody starts telling old stories.
Very old stories.
Stories nobody asked for.
But somehow, everybody still listens.
Maybe somebody says, "Remember when we went on that trip?"
Oh, yes. Family memories.
Then suddenly, everyone remembers the story differently.
Very true. One person says that happened in summer.
Another person says, "No, winter."
Somebody says, no, that was a different year.
Family memories become detective work.
That feels too real.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
Funniest family gathering moment.
Easy. Someone falling asleep on the couch.
Oh, wow. That happens every time.
Every single time.
Usually after too much food.
Very true.
Then someone quietly says, "Don't wake them up."
Or maybe somebody starts snoring.
Oh no. Then everyone laughs quietly.
Families are funny sometimes.
Very funny.
Emma, what about family games?
Oh, that feels dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, because somehow family games become very serious.
That feels personal.
1 minute, everybody laughs. Next minute, somebody says, no, that is cheating."
Oh, wow. Fancy competitive families.
Very competitive.
But honestly, those moments become funny memories later.
Very true. Then maybe someone starts asking life questions.
Oh no, not the serious questions.
Very serious questions. Maybe somebody asks, "What are your plans?"
Or, how is work going?
Or maybe, "What are you doing these days?"
Useful family English, everyone. Things are going well.
Nice, simple answer.
Or maybe, I've been busy lately.
Very useful, especially when you want short answers.
Smart idea.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever hidden in the kitchen at family events?
Wait, why is everybody asking about my secrets today?
So that means yes.
Maybe one time.
One time,
Okay, maybe more than one time.
honest answer again.
Sometimes kitchens feel peaceful,
Or safer.
and snacks are there.
Ah, yes, important detail.
Snacks always help.
Emma, question.
Okay.
What makes family gatherings special?
The feeling.
What feeling?
Familiar feeling. Shared memories.
Old stories.
Laughing together.
Even if things feel loud?
Even if things feel loud.
Even awkward questions?
Even awkward questions.
That feels nice.
Because maybe family is not perfect,
Nobody's perfect.
but spending time together matters.
Very true. Then maybe, slowly, the evening starts ending.
Ah, yes. The goodbye moment.
Somehow, goodbyes take forever.
Very forever.
Someone says, "Okay, we should go."
Then nobody leaves.
30 minutes later, still talking.
At the door.
Somehow, goodbyes become another conversation.
That feels very real.
Useful sentence, everyone. It was great seeing you.
Or maybe, let's meet again soon.
Nice family English.
Repeat after us. It was great seeing you.
Then finally, everybody goes home.
Quiet house again.
Tired feeling.
But maybe happy feeling too.
Because even if family gatherings feel busy, they create memories.
Funny memories.
Loud memories.
Sometimes awkward memories.
But good memories.
Today we learned useful English like It's so nice to see you.
How have you been?
This food is delicious.
Can I have more?
Things are going well.
I've been busy lately.
It was great seeing you.
Real English, real life.
And remember, family gatherings are not always perfect,
Sometimes loud,
sometimes awkward,
but often special.
because time together matters.
Emma, question.
Okay,
Best family gathering advice.
easy. Eat good food, smile, and survive the awkward questions. Very realistic advice.
Thank you. I sound smart again.
Again?
Wow, that hurts every time.
I'm joking.
Maybe.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe reminded you of your own funny family moments.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.